We ended the last lesson on this slide. The slide discusses a stepwise approach for solving the select in passage questions. In this lesson, we would be applying this approach on GRE-like example. Before we do so, you may want to pause the video and revise this approach. Let us now take a GRE-like example. We spot that this is a select in passage question type, and we need to select a sentence whose purpose is to suggest that the scientist at the center of the passage does not meet a benchmark set by certain other figures. This is our approach for solving the select in passage questions, and we just completed the first step. The second step is to read the paragraph carefully and develop a mind map that duly connects the key points in the passage. This passage starts by raising a question about whether this scientist should be considered remarkable. Then the passage develops a case for why this scientist should be considered remarkable. Then the passage has a contrast trigger followed by a case for why this scientist should not be considered remarkable. That's our mind map here. So we duly completed the second step here, and now we will go by elimination using the answer choices to our advantage. Other figures have been talked about only in this sentence, but here this person has been talked about not from the point of view of being a benchmark that the scientist does not meet. This figure has been quoted in an expert capacity to assert a certain point. Therefore, this last sentence is incorrect. Let's look at this other competing answer choice. This clearly talks about two specific figures, and by saying that although the influence of the scientist is recognized, there is an unwillingness to group the scientist alongside these figures. This sentence definitely has the purpose of suggesting that the scientist in question does not meet a benchmark set by other figures, these two here. This sentence makes a compelling answer choice absolutely correct.